What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to save a route on Google Maps. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first go to your Google Map and choose a location you want to go in and check its direction. So click direction, and now you can now choose a starting point. So I'm going to choose this starting point, and now it will show me the direction. So I can choose a type of transport I'm going to use. So if I want to walk or commute, and now I'm going to choose a car. So this is the fastest way to get in my location. And in order to save this route, you can one way to do it is to click this send direction to your phone, and it will automatically open your Google Map on your cell phone and show this route. And another way to do it is to go to details and click this share button right here, as you can see in the screen. And now you can copy your Google Map link. You can now save it to your notepad, share it to your Facebook account, send it to your Gmail, and that's it. That's how you save your route on Google Map. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.